Hi guys, welcome to Simply Scuba. Now obviously it's November, but actually we're filming this in September, which is why my backdrop isn't very Christmassy, but I'm still wearing my Christmas jumper. So Christmas is coming earlier and earlier every single year, and it can be a little bit tricky thinking of some Christmas gift ideas for the scuba diver in your life. Now there are two reoccurring gift guides, gifts that sort of come in every single year, which is the Underwater Kinetics Hang Air and the Nautilus Lifeline GPS. I'm not going to include them in today's list because basically they've been in every single list since like the 2016 gift guide video. So if you want more information on those, just go back to our channel about a year ago and just view that gift guide. But actually, whether it's a Hanukkah gift, a Christmas gift, or I don't know, a Kwanzaa gift or something, here are Simply Scuba's top 5 gift ideas for the scuba diver in your life. First up, we have the Marine Pictolife Book. So this is a series of really handy sort of fish and just marine life ID books. But what's really nice about these is they're nice and compact, so you can travel with them really easily. But also the pages are actually waterproof. So unlike a lot of books that you pick up at the bookstore, you kind of have to protect them when they're on the boat. So if you want to look up sort of what fish you've seen underwater, you kind of have to be quite careful. With this, it doesn't matter. You can almost take this underwater if you want to. On the inside, it has all sorts about the flora and the fauna sort of inside, and just interesting information about each. So yeah, you can actually understand what you're looking at, and they're regional as well. So if you only dive in one particular area, you only need to buy one of the books. Next up, we have our very own Simply Scuba MK1 Dive Torch. So this, I mean, just look at it. It's a tiny torch, but it packs a punch. So 1,000 lumens of bright white light. So this is a primary dive torch for a recreational diver, or it's a really neat, compact little backup torch for a technical diver. So it's factory sealed as well, so you never have to worry about sort of changing seals or greasing anything. It's charged through these two little contacts on the back, and it's got the rechargeable battery inside. So it's kind of a good all-rounder dive torch. Now here we have the Best Diver's Weight Bag. So this is a handy little bag basically for scuba divers, because you're going to have all of your lead weight, your weight belt as well. Normally you just kind of sling it in the back of the car, but actually it's quite nice to actually put it into a bag, but most of them aren't really strong enough to carry that much lead, but this one is specifically built to carry lead and of course to allow it to drip dry. Now one of the main problems with shot lead pouches is that they take forever to dry, and if you put them in a bag it slows it down. So a mesh bag is just perfect. So this is a great gift for any scuba diver who owns their own lead. Next up, we have a bungee necklace. So this one specifically is the Apeks Bungee Necklace, but there are plenty others on our website. This is really handy. A lot of technical divers use this mainly for their octo, but you can use it on your primary as well. If you're a little bit nervous about that second stage coming out of your mouth, then you just fit a necklace to it, and that way it stays in position. This one fits Apeks regulated specifically, but you do get some universal necklaces. Next up, we have something brand new. This is our very own diver's watch, and this is waterproof down to 500 meters. So it's a very simple diver's watch. It's smart and sophisticated, but it's very tough. It's very reliable. The black face just means that it's a really high contrast, so you can see it even in the dark. And if you're diving in overhead environments like caves or shipwrecks, if you need to use your torch, it's not going to dazzle you because of that black face. Rotating bezel so you can monitor your dive time. It kind of has everything that you need. It's our own brand dive watch. Okay, so all of those are available on our website, simplyscuba.com, where we have a dedicated gift guide section. So it is just packed full of all sorts of gift ideas. And if you don't want to put that much thought into it, there's always gift cards. So all sorts of different denominations, so you can just give it to them and then they can make up their own mind for what they want for Christmas. Of course, in the comments below, let us know what you want for Christmas and why. And I don't know, maybe your loved ones will see it and go, oh, that's a good idea. I don't know. Thanks for watching and safe diving. The contrast on the Perdix, the newer version, the small one, is much greater, so the screen appears black with sort of white and blue lettering on that, whereas on the Petrol, the older version, it's slightly blue, so it's actually using sort of power, and it's not true black, as you can see in like modern